Located in North Phoenix City, welcome to 1901 Serene Court in Northwood Subdivision. This home is a terrific find on the north end of town. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,422 square feet on over a half-acre lot in a cul-de-sac with a huge backyard and an awesome wired workshop. Inside, this home is impeccably maintained with a fresh, neutral style to suit any decor. Wood floors expand throughout the entire home. The master suite includes a sitting area overlooking the backyard. Out back, the deck is ready for your summer barbecues, and the wired workshop is the perfect man cave or even a craft cottage. This is 1901 Serene Court in North Phoenix City. Come check it out. Thanks for viewing this video tour. If you are interested in seeing this home in person or need more details, please contact our buyer team, Tom Maldonado and Marty Upshaw at 706-358-4064.